What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Today we're going to go over Baby Pepe, man. We've been covering this bad boy for a while, talking about the 600K support area, market cap support area, where it hits several times. The possibility of a breakout. And the breakout did take place here. Started about 4 days ago and it's continuing. So we're going to see how high this bad boy can go. I'm going to drop some information for you guys too. On top of that, BITMART listing coming very soon as well. They already have it announced. It's already on their Twitter. BitMart's already announced it as well. So we have a sex listing coming up, the very first one. We all know what happens after sex listing. It's a snowball effect. It just starts rolling and rolling and rolling. And on top of that, they've already announced 2 other sex listings once they hit certain market cap criteria, which we will go over. So with that, let's get to the price prediction and technical analysis on Baby Pepe. All right, everybody. So here are the sex listings: $3 million market cap BitMart, 5 million MEXC, 10 million. I believe is that Gate or is that BitMart? I don't know, or is that BitGate? I don't know. But 10 million, I think that's Gate. But 10 million, you're hitting that. So we're already getting listed on BitMart. If we actually go to the top of Baby Pepe here, you can see BitMart coming in hot. Upcoming new listing. BitMart will list Baby Pepe soon. Keep an eye on the socials for further announcements. Share in the comments. So we're starting to pump for that listing. And guess what? If we pump into that sex listing, that could easily push us up to that $5 million market cap, which we need for the second listing, which is MEXC. So imagine that snowball effect, just getting constant sex listing, sex listing, sex listing. That will just continue this parabolic rally that we're currently experiencing for Baby Pepe. You can see we already are at $3.2 million market cap. I believe BitMart would be probably early next week sometime. And then who knows? We could even get MEXC next week if we continue over that to that $5 million market cap. But right now, this is kind of a very, I don't want to say obvious breakout, but man, this is super technical. And if you look at my last Baby Pepe video before we had this massive breakout, I kind of broke it down for you guys as well. Super technical breakout right here. Constant support around that 1332 area, which if you go to the market cap is around that $600,000 market cap area, in which we found our heavy support for Baby Pepe. And you can see as soon as we broke out of this downtrend that we were in from May 11th, that's all she wrote, to infinity and beyond. So congratulations on whoever was watching the videos, whoever were able to get in the Pepe early. These were optimal times to buy in right here. Actually, any time below where we currently are was optimal time to buy in. And let's look at some fibs. So fibs from the top to the bottom right here, we actually just broke below or above our 786. The next main resistance area for Baby Pepe, is the all-time high price. It actually looks like we did overtake our wick high right here that we experienced in March. Yeah, March 28th. So we are actually free to run up to that all-time high price at about 1365. So from where we're currently at, that's approximately a another 62% rally we could be seeing here for Baby Pepe till we run into some sort of resistance. And who knows, once we get that BitMart listing, that could be pushing us up to, the 1236 here at about 3803, because that's the next main resistance above the all-time high. Now, if we're looking at the market cap, because obviously market cap, like we mentioned, is when they're going to be listed on different sexes. So on market cap right now with the fib, we're currently experiencing resistance at the 618 here at about 3.3. I think we can easily overtake this 3.3 resistance area due to that sex listing. So I'm really not too worried about that 618. What we need to break through next would be the 786 at about that 4.27, which brings us roughly up to that $5 million market cap area that we need to get listed on MEXC. So right now we got BitMart here, we got MEXC here, and then way up here, I believe that's GATEIO, that logo was. If I'm mistaken, man, just comment below. But that's way up here at the 1618. So if we continue the snowball effect and we just get into sex listing, we could just be experiencing, a run up all the way up to that 1618 area right there, to that, possibly $10 million market cap. It's gonna be pretty hard to break that $10 million market cap, in my personal opinion. But the 1618 is about an 8.7. But who knows? They've been doing some crazy marketing, guys. I mean, if we look at their socials here, if we look at their Twitter, constantly posting, constantly doing announcements here. They're trending on Dex Tools. They're also trending on DexScreener, Crypto.com, CoinGecko Terminal. We're getting noticed big by Pepe, you know, Pepe. So Pepe made a new all-time high. So baby Pepe's following suit, up 42% today at 3.2. So in the short term right now, I think once we start getting on these sex trains, is just going to start snowballing into more and more parabolic movement here for baby Pepe. So right now, next main resistance area is the all-time high price. I still think we have an easy 62% gain till we reach that, till we run into some sort of resistance. Baby Pepe to the moon, guys. As always, none of this is financial advice. Yes, we have been going straight parabolic, so eventually we will experience some profit taking. You normally experience profit taking around a sex listing, so that's something to be focused on as well. Is when they announce the date for BITMART, are people going to start taking profit, or is Baby Pepe actually going to announce MEXC as soon as as soon as BITMART announces their listing date? Because that would continue the party rolling. Because normally when you announce a sex listing date, like the date that it's actually listed, you have some people selling that volume and taking profit. But if we actually get the MEXC announcement on the Gate.io listing, that would just be another catalyst, of which I don't think would cause the price to go down. It would cause it to continue much higher. So we'll see how it plays out, guys. But as of right now, $3.2 million market cap. It's still very early in my personal opinion. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I think this thing can easily go to 250 to $500 million market cap during the bull run. You know, baby Pepe, and you know Pepe's going to be a big hitter this bull run. So why can't baby Pepe at least share a little slice of the pie, right? So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.